All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. And we are looking at Vulcan Forged here on the daily chart. So, anybody invested in this thing or looking to invest, this thing is getting ready to move down. As you can see here, the last time this thing was in a falling or a rising wedge, rather, you could see the measured move pretty much played out to a T. So, we're in another rising wedge here. This is our measured move. So I would look for at least 337 to get tagged, maybe even do something exactly like this where it comes down to the measured move, moves a little higher, and then comes down. So you may come down to 337 for a little bounce and then move on down here to 289. So that's what I'm looking for with PYR here. So once you lose 426, 427, you're going to break through this wedge. And then your first support is about a 4% move to that 423 or no 426 area, and then 372 would be next up for about a 14% move, then 337, which is the point where you may bounce for a 22% move, and then you may eventually, ultimately, probably come down here, at least tag it with a wick down here for a 33.5% move down here to this 289 area if this measured move plays out. But expect at least 337 to get hit. So with that being said, really not much else to say on it. That's your make or break line there. But yeah, it's in a rising wedge pattern. You would think this thing would be bullish. When I used to not know about patterns, I would think that higher highs and higher lows, this thing was turning bullish and curling up. But it's not actually the case. When you see something like this with higher highs and higher lows and it's kind of getting squeezed, that's a bearish pattern. So the price is going to get squeezed to the downside. Same way with it going down, in a falling wedge. So yeah, this is not a lesson on wedges, but just wanted to mention that. So if anybody's invested in Vulcan Forge, it is in a rising wedge pattern, and you're about to get squeezed to the downside. So if you're thinking about investing, for a long, I would wait till it comes down to one of these prices to dollar cost average in. Of course, not financial advice. Or if you're looking to short, just watch these couple of price points down here to get hit. Yeah, with that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.